All right, welcome back to another practice session. Let's see how far we get. I'm going to start out with the 6336. Okay. 5, 4, 1, 5 6 point. Nine, 6 3. Eight, 3 5. 4 1 3. 3 1 2. 'Sorry, went brain dead for a second. Forgot what set I was using. 8 6 2. 6 roll. Here's where the math start kicking in. 5. Point made. 2 3. That was a good roll. Dice travel together, hit the back wall, land it, last rebound. Nine. Nine's a .45. Ten. 6 4. 10 6 4. 8 6 2. A little too high now. Hitting the back wall on that one. shooting the dice without the chips on the table. It's a lot easier. Nine, 4, 5. Point made. I like that one too. Stick together. It landed. Less rebound. Pretty high up there so far. Four, 4, 8. 8's the point. I noticed for most of my set that I use with the either the 6-3, 3-6 or the 2-1, 6-2, I tend to hit a lot of 8s and 9. I think that's my my number. So next time I'm gonna make sure I bet a little heavier on that. 12. All right, we got one of the hard ones out of the way. 6, 6, 12. That was 14 row, so. Okay, 9. Again, 9. 5, 4. Row. I want to be able to be consistent. It's like every time I pick up the dice, it's like it's that set a number roll before I crap out, you know. 11. 6, 5. Okay, we made it all tall. Seven out. 16 row, crept out in the 17 row. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. Not bad. Anything over 14, I'm happy with it. So, see you next time. Keep practicing. Don't forget to show up for practice. Take care.